Stop scrolling Amazon. I already found the 10 coolest new tools you didn't know you needed. From a vacuum that hides in your wall to a screwdriver that saves your wrists. Let's get into it. Number 1. Works 4-volt electric screwdriver. Hey everyone, let's kick things off with the Works 4-volt electric screwdriver. If you've ever spent hours assembling flat-pack furniture or installing cabinet hardware, you know exactly how painful wrist fatigue can be. Well, this little tool is here to save your wrists. It weighs only 1.1 pounds, so you can work all day without your hands getting tired. Now here's the coolest feature, the Quick Draw Bit Change System. You can preload 6 different bits inside the tool and cycle through them with just a flick of your thumb. No more dropping tiny bits on the floor or searching through your pockets. The internal cartridge comes stocked with PH1, PH2, SL4, SL6, SQ1, and SQ2 bits, which cover just about every screw you'll encounter around the house. The built-in screw holder is another genius addition. It keeps the screw firmly attached to the driver so you can start screws with just one hand. Perfect when you're balancing on a ladder or holding materials in place. The 4-volt max lithium battery holds a charge for up to 18 months, so it's always ready when you need it. And when it's time to recharge, just plug in the included USB Type-C cable. At this price point, it's an absolute steal for any DIYer. Number 2. Giraffe Tools GrandStorm Retractable Vacuum Cleaner. Number 2 is absolutely genius. This is the Giraffe Tools GrandStorm Retractable Vacuum Cleaner, and it will change your garage cleaning forever. Say goodbye to tripping over hoses and dragging bulky shop vacs around. The star feature is the 30-foot retractable hose. Give it a pull, and it extends to reach every corner. Give it another tug, and the guidance system rolls it back up neatly without any kinking or tangling. It's like magic. This is a wet-dry vacuum, handling everything from sawdust and sand to liquid spills. The powerful motor delivers 20 kPa of strong suction with an adjustable control switch right on the wand. The dust bin holds 4.4 gallons for long cleaning sessions. The wall-mounted design keeps the machine and all 6 attachments organized and out of the way. Plus, the remote control lets you turn it on or off without walking back to the unit, perfect for car detailing. Just note, this unit weighs 60 pounds, so you'll want a friend to help mount it. Once it's up, you'll wonder how you lived without it. Number 3. Adjustable Universal Socket Wrench. Number 3 is the ultimate problem solver. This adjustable universal socket wrench saves you from one of the most frustrating moments in DIY, when your socket just spins on a rounded or stripped bolt and you're stuck. 12 hardened alloy steel pins automatically adjust to grip any fastener from 10 to 19 millimeters or 3/8 to 3/4 of an inch. Instead of gripping corners like traditional sockets, these pins wrap around the flats of the bolt head, giving you a secure hold even on damaged fasteners. The built-in 3/8-inch square drive connects to your ratchet, power drill, or torque wrench. Made from chrome vanadium steel with a polished chrome finish, it withstands high torque and resists corrosion. Perfect for tight engine compartments, furniture assemblies, or stripped hex bolts. This replaces over 30 individual sockets, saving drawer space and money. Keep one in your glove box for emergencies. You'll thank yourself later. Number 4. CC Mini Circular Saw with Laser Guide. Number 4 is the CC Mini Circular Saw. This compact powerhouse packs serious cutting ability into a lightweight 5-pound frame. The 4.8-amp motor delivers 4,000 RPM, giving you 20% more cutting efficiency than standard mini saws. Perfect for home renovations, furniture making, and DIY projects. What makes this saw special? It comes with 3 different 4.5-inch blades, a TCT blade for wood, an HSS blade for soft metal and plastic, and a diamond blade for tile. One tool handles almost any material. No more buying multiple saws. The laser guide and guide rail ensure precise cuts every time. A dust hose adapter connects to most vacuums, keeping your workspace clean. Cut depth adjusts up to 1 11/16 inches at 90 degrees with a 45-degree bevel for angled cuts. Safety features include a dual switch system. You must press both switches to start. At 50% lighter than conventional saws, it's easy for anyone to operate one-handed. This saw refuses to limit your creativity. Number 5. Thatch Rake for Lawn Dethatcher. Number 5 is for lawn lovers. This thatch rake removes dead grass and debris that blocks water and nutrients from reaching your soil. Your lawn ends up brown and patchy without proper dethatching. The 15-inch head has 21 steel teeth that dig deep and pull up thatch in half the time of standard rakes. Heavy-duty wheels help it glide smoothly, reducing effort. The adjustable head tilts from 0 to 15 degrees for different thatch thicknesses. The 64-inch stainless steel handle lets you stand straight while working, no more back pain. Built from rust-resistant metal, it lasts for years. Dethatch once or twice a year for thicker, greener grass. Number 6. Flexible Shaft Extension Extender. Number 6 is the Flexible Shaft Extension Extender. Ever tried reaching a bolt in a tight engine bay and your ratchet won't fit? This solves that problem. These flexible extensions bend up to 45 degrees, letting you access fasteners in impossible-to-reach spots. Perfect for automotive repairs and machinery maintenance where maneuverability matters. This set includes 3 drive sizes, 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch. You're covered for almost any socket you own. Just attach your socket to the flexible end, connect the other end to your ratchet, and you're good to go. Built for garages and DIY environments, these store easily in any toolbox. No more disassembling half your engine just to reach one bolt. Number 7. 60-inch Weed Puller Tool. Number 7 is a back saver. This 60-inch weed puller tool means no more kneeling, no more bending, no more back pain. It's a 2-in-1 design. The 6-tine rake uproots deep weeds like dandelions and crabgrass, roots and all. The hoe blade loosens soil, levels ground, and clears driveways. One tool replaces multiple garden tools. The stainless steel handle adjusts from 16 to 60 inches, so you set it to your perfect height. Stand up straight while weeding, your back and knees will thank you. Secure screw-lock joints keep it stable during heavy use. Built with heavy-duty cast steel, it's tougher than standard carbon steel. Rust-resistant and anti-deformation, it handles rocky soil and tough roots without snapping. Perfect for flower beds, vegetable patches, patios, and sidewalks. Number 8. Hozo Neo Sander Reciprocating Detail Sander. Number 8 is for detail-oriented makers. This is the Hozo Neo Sander, the world's first detail sander with a true reciprocating linear motor. It moves in a straight, back-and-forth motion, letting you sand flush against edges and into tight corners without rounding them over. The stepless adjustable stroke from 0.6 to 1.8 millimeters lets you switch between fast shaping and delicate finishing without changing tools. The ergonomic design reduces hand vibration by up to 85%, so you can work comfortably for hours. It's dust-proof and supports wet sanding. The palm-sized design weighs just 89 grams, perfect for tight spaces. The 1100 mAh battery runs for 45 minutes continuously, with Type-C charging that lets you use it while charging. It comes with 8 quick-release sanding heads and 8 grits of waterproof sandpaper from 180 to 1500 grit, perfect for 3D printing, model making, crafts, and DIY projects. Number 9. Vevor 1450-watt Mag Drill Press. This brings some serious heavy-duty power. This is the Vevor 1450-watt Mag Drill Press, built for metalworkers and fabricators who need to drill through tough steel. The 1450-watt motor delivers 0 to 750 RPM with a maximum coring diameter and depth of 2 inches. The magnetic base generates 2,922 pounds of holding force, anchoring securely to steel surfaces. 10 speed settings let you match the speed to your drilling needs. Safety features include overload protection and a rapid cooling system to prevent overheating. The titanium magnesium alloy guide rail resists wear and extends lifespan. A built-in scale helps with precise measurements, while ergonomic handles ensure comfortable operation. Ideal for steel fabrication, shipbuilding, railways, and construction. Number 10. Damaged Screw Extractor Set. Number 10 is the damaged screw extractor set. We've all been there. A stripped to rusted screw that just won't budge. This solves that problem instantly. The hardened steel extractors have reverse-threaded spirals that bite into the damaged screw head. Choose the right size, set your drill to reverse, and drill slowly. The extractor grips tight and pulls it out in seconds. Important tip: use slow speed or the extractor can break. This 6-piece set handles everything from tiny electronic screws to large bolts. The compact metal case keeps everything organized for your garage or workshop. Made from heat-treated steel with a corrosion-resistant finish, these are built to last. No special skills needed. Anyone can use it. Every toolbox needs a set of these.